welcome back in the video. In this video we are going to discuss the poem Wind, passage comprehension and answer the question. Firstly, I am going to the passage comprehension. In 4 marks you will get the exercise passage comprehension in your question paper. In this poem 2 passages are there. First one is written here, wind comes softly and ends with crushes them all. The line is given in your book, you can write and read it. Actually in this poem, in this stanza, the poet requests the wind something not to do. Why? The reason is also given here. In the next passage, the reflection of the request is given. But in first passage, some questions are here. Why does the poet want wind to come slowly? Why does the poet want wind to come slowly? Why does he request? So he requests wind to come slowly as not to disturb life, and cause trouble to weak. The poet says that when winds come strongly, it destroys everything. It disturbs the life for the weeks. So he requests the wind to come slowly. Second question, what does the wind do to books? So in the stanza it is very clear. The wind throws the book down the shelves. The wind throws the book down to the shelves and tears the pages of the books. Next one, what brings the rain? Very simple. The wind brings the rain. Next passage, he won't do. He means the wind or wind god. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. The wind will blows out weak fires. He makes strong fire roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. In this stanza, firstly, in 4 lines, the poet suggests us that there is no effect of request to the wind, as it is the natural phenomenon. We cannot control it. So the poet also gives suggestions to us. Let us join the door firmly. Come, let's build strong homes. Homes, doors are the examples only in our real life to understand this phenomenon in a very clear way. Actually, the poet wants to be the strongest one in this universe so that we can save ourselves from any trouble, from any adverse condition. Some questions, why should we make our homes strong? So according to poet, we should make our home strong so they may not fall down. They may not means our houses may not fall down. Plain answer. When will the wind be our friend? Second question, when will the wind be our friend? So the wind will be our friend when we are strong. What does the wind do to fire? What does the wind do to fire? The wind blows out weak fire. The wind blows out weak fire but makes strong fire more strong. That is why the poet suggests us to be strong. Actual question, answer this question given in the book. Also the questions are written on the board. You may see here. What are the things the wind does in the first stanza? So in the first stanza it is very clear that the wind blows strongly, it breaks the shutters of the windows, it scatters the paper and throws down the books from the shelf, it tears the pages and brings rain again, it destroys houses and makes fun of weak persons. Second question, what does the poet say the wind god winnows? The wind god winnows the books, the houses, crumbling rafters, etc. Next question, what does the last four line of the poem mean to you? The last four line of the poem tells us that the wind will become our friend, but only after when we are strong. It blows out the weak fire and make strong fire roar and flourish. It is good friend of us, but only then when we are strong. It is beneficial for all living beings also. We praise it every day. Have you ever seen anybody winnow grain at home or in paddy field? What is the word in your language for winnowing? What do people use for winnowing? Give the word in your own language. It is the practical question for our real life. Being the dwellers of northeast part of India, we are very well aware about the paddy field and the process winnowing. Winnowing is separating the heavier grains from lighter husk is known as winnowing. You might have learned it in class 6, class 7 science. So have you ever seen anybody winnow grain at home? Obviously our answer may be yes. What is the word in your own language for winnowing? So in north part of India, it is known as Osana. O-S-A-N-A. Osana. What do people use for winnowing? So people use Osauni. O-S-A-U-N-I. It is somewhat in this shape. Osauni. Clear? So these are the question answer. In the lesson we have discussed. Now one homework is for you. How does the wind deal with fire? We have also discussed this in the video. So you can write the answer of this question in 50 words after reading the poem again. Thank you all.